So actually, drag polar equation is nothing but equation in which you have coefficient of drag and coefficient of lift together. So your drag polar, you can see drag polar, your total drag is equal to your profile drag plus induced drag. Now you can see why I'm using induced drag here. I'm using induced drag because this induced drag is not coming because of the profile. I mean, it is not coming because of the pressure drag and because of the shear stress drag, right? It is coming just because of the local flow is bending, downwash is happening, because of that phenomena this is coming. But anyway, it is also behaving like a drag, that's why we are adding. Okay. In aerodynamics, I will teach you types of drag. Currently, the types of drag is not important. So you go for total drag. So see, we will deal our equation in terms of coefficients. So here I have total drag coefficient CD. Then I will write the profile drag. Profile drag is kind of constant drag. It means what? Once you are making your airfoil done, it means this airfoil will produce this much drag because of its shape. And then you have induced drag. For induced drag, I will use symbol CDI. Then you know this part I can also write as A, and this CDI I can write as BCL square. Now inside, if you can recall CDI formula, that was nothing but CL square by pi EAR. So this 1 by pi EAR I have considered as B. So that's all. This equation is your drag polar equation. Now see, if I will ask what will be the variation in this CD with the CL, and I will give you 4-5 options. So what kind of variation will come? Linear, circular, elliptical. What kind of variation? Parabolic. Parabolic. Very good. So I will draw the curve here. Now I will draw two curves. In one curve I will draw CD here, CL here, and I will draw this line. Then another curve, I will draw CL here, CD here, this line, and another curve I will draw here like this. It is touching the origin. CD here, CL here. I will draw another curve, CL here, CD here, this line. Which curve you will choose as your drag polar curve?